Hi Stampers! Today I'm going to show you a fun technique, and we're going to be using the stamp set Soft Seedlings, and that is out of the mini catalog. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I am just going to take a paper plate and I'm going to take baby wipes. So, and I like to make like a Stampin' Pad, so we're just going to put them there. You can see I keep using the same plate over and over. Okay, so I've just got those down there like that. And I'm going to take refills. So the first one I'm going to use, this is Cajun Craze. And we're just going to just put some color on there. Kind of all over, and I'll just fill in. And so then this is Real Red, so we're just gonna again just put some all over, fill in there. Now like I said, this is from the holiday mini catalog, and you can get them out of there until I think it's January 4th. Pumpkin Pie. And that is one of my favorite stamp sets. It's so cool. I've done it in fall colors. I've used it in just greens. And then this is Crushed Curry. So, and you want the colors, they'll kind of bleed together, and that's good. That's what we want. But why leave a little bit of space? Because if they bleed too fast, then it gets kind of mucky color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this aside, but I'm going to kind of start some of the other things with my card. So this is my card base, and just folding that right in half, using a bone folder to get a nice crisp crease on that. And the colors that I'm using, this is Cherry Cobbler and Cajun Craze. And like I said, the reason why I'm doing this is kind of let them to bleed together, fill it in the spaces, and okay, so I've got my main card base of my card done, so I've got that there. So now we're just going to take, we have our white, and I'm taking the greeting from that stamp set. Just thinking of you. So I've got that done. So now we're going to take and doesn't that look like fall colors? It's so pretty. And if you waited a little bit longer, they'll fill in too more. So isn't that, it's so pretty. Looks like your fall colors. And so then I'm going to come back with my card base, and this is like a really quick, easy card. Okay, so we'll just put that on there, and that kind of pops all the colors too. So now this could be just card just like that, really quick, easy, done. Or what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my gold ribbon here, and I have already tied a cute little bow. Take my glue dots and get one of those off there, and just put that right up in the corner. Here I have another one here too, but so basically, like I said, it could be just very easy, let this alone, not put anything on it, or you can just add a bow to that. But like I said, look at this one too, how it has the different colors there. And it's kind of neat how, and you will not have two cards alike. That's what's so fun about this technique. So here's like where I've did it on vanilla. So it's kind of softens it a little bit, but it changes the colors, doesn't make it, but. So anyway, this is the baby wipe technique, and I hope you enjoyed my video. And be sure and visit my site at www.lisastamps.com for more ideas. Thanks, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.